Graphic installation and display setup of the 4-season Ballast double retractor is both quick and easy. Begin by removing the capped fasteners located next to the retractors and remove both retractors from the base unit. Set the base unit aside and place the retractors along with the other parts on a clean flat surface. Rotate the base so that the tape leader is lying flat, adhesive side up. Align the bottom edge of your banner with the tape leader and carefully remove the protective liner from the tape leader. Firmly and evenly attach the banner to the tape leader's adhesive. Once attached, smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. Once set, remove the banner rail's end caps and snap the banner rail open. From the side, fully insert the top edge of the banner into the banner rail. Once centered, snap the banner rail closed and replace the end caps. You are now ready to retract the banner. With one hand on the banner, remove the pin and allow the banner to gently retract. Repeat the previous steps to install the second banner into the second retractor. Once both banners have been retracted, place the retractors back into the ballast base with the banner rails oriented to the outside. Secure the retractors in place by fully threading the cap fasteners back through the retractors and into the ballast base. Once set, your banner is ready to be displayed. To display your graphics in the 4-season Ballast double retractor, begin by removing the parts from the carrying case. Position your base by using the built-in wheels, and then insert the first telescoping pole into the raised hole in the base. Secure in place by turning the handle screwed clockwise until tight. Insert the second telescoping pole into the raised hole in the base. Secure in place by turning the handle screwed clockwise until tight. Loosen and remove both handled screws from the top of the telescoping poles and set aside. Next, rotate the support bars on the top crossbar until they are perpendicular to the crossbar. Hold the crossbar with the support bars on top and position it so that it spans across both telescoping poles. Insert the handled screws through the holes in the crossbar and turn clockwise to secure the crossbar to the telescoping poles. Position the L-tabs on the crossbar so that they are perpendicular to the crossbar. Lift the telescoping poles and allow them to lock into one of the two preset heights. Lift the first graphic upward and tilt the banner rail towards the connectors to allow the connector's lip to enter the banner rail's groove. Rotate the L-tabs over the banner rail and lock into place by turning the handled screws clockwise. Next, lift the second graphic upwards and repeat the previous steps to secure the graphic. Once set, your 4-season ballast double retractor is complete and ready for use. To add ballast to the base unit, simply remove the plug located on the top of the base and fill the base to your desired level and replace the plug. The built-in wheel set of the 4-season ballast double retractor allows for easy positioning and movement during setup and display.